Join me as I take on the challenge of protecting my portfolio from market fluctuations in 2025. Can I outsmart the trends and secure my investments? As we dive into 2025, the economic climate is looking uncertain, and protecting your portfolio has never been more crucial. With market fluctuations and unpredictable trends, it's essential to stay ahead of the game. Portfolio protection is no longer just a buzzword. It's a necessity for investors who want to safeguard their hard-earned money. The current economic landscape is complex, and investors are facing unprecedented challenges. With the ever-present threat of inflation, interest rates, and geopolitical tensions, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But understanding these risks is the first step towards mitigating them. To navigate these choppy waters, you need a solid plan in place. This is where portfolio protection comes in, a strategy that can help you weather the storm and come out on top. By prioritizing portfolio protection, you can ensure that your investments remain secure, even in the face of uncertainty. The peace of mind that comes with knowing your investments are protected is invaluable. It's not just about growing your wealth, it's about preserving it. Investors in today's market face a multitude of risks that can impact their portfolios. Inflation is a significant concern, as rising prices can erode the purchasing power of your money. Interest rates also play a crucial role, as changes in rates can affect the performance of your investments. Geopolitical tensions, trade wars, and regulatory changes can all have a ripple effect on the market. These risks are not just limited to the global economy, they can also have a direct impact on your portfolio. Market volatility can result in significant losses if you're not prepared. It's essential to stay informed and adapt to changing market conditions. The global economy is interconnected, and events in one part of the world can have far-reaching consequences. As an investor, it's crucial to consider these factors when making investment decisions. Diversification is key to minimizing risk, but it's not the only strategy you can use to protect your portfolio. Hedging, for example, can help you mitigate potential losses by taking a position in a security that offsets your existing investments. Alternative investments such as real estate or commodities can also provide a hedge against market volatility. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, you can reduce your exposure to any one particular market. There are many tools and strategies available to investors, and the right approach will depend on your individual circumstances. It's essential to do your research, stay informed, and consult with a financial advisor if needed. Exploring the world of alternative investments can be a great way to diversify your portfolio. From cryptocurrencies to art, there are many unique investment opportunities that can help you stay ahead of the curve. When it comes to protecting your portfolio, there is one strategy that stands out from the rest: diversification. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, you can reduce your exposure to any one particular market. This approach can help you weather the storm and come out on top, even in the face of market fluctuations. Diversification is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's essential to tailor your approach to your individual circumstances. The key to successful portfolio protection is to stay informed, adapt to changing market conditions, and have a solid plan in place. By following these principles, you can ensure that your investments remain secure, even in uncertain times. In today's fast-paced market, it's easy to get caught off guard. But with the right strategy and a bit of knowledge, you can stay ahead of the game. To make a significant difference in protecting your investments, it's essential to stay proactive. This means continuously monitoring your portfolio, adjusting your strategy as needed, and staying informed about market developments. By taking a proactive approach, you can respond quickly to changes in the market and minimize potential losses. This is especially important in today's fast-paced market, where events can unfold rapidly. The most effective strategy for portfolio protection is to be prepared for the unexpected. This means having a solid understanding of the risks you face and taking steps to mitigate them. As we wrap up our discussion on portfolio protection, let's summarize the key strategies we've covered. Diversification, hedging, and alternative investments are all essential tools in your investment arsenal. By incorporating these strategies into your investment approach, you can help safeguard your portfolio against market fluctuations. Remember, portfolio protection is an ongoing process that requires continuous monitoring and adaptation. Taking proactive measures can make all the difference in protecting your investments. Don't wait until it's too late. Take control of your portfolio today. If you have any portfolio protection tips or strategies that have worked for you, share them with us in the comments below. Love to hear from you and learn from your experiences. Check out our related videos for more investment advice, tips on how to protect your portfolio in 2025. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next video.